Hi, friends. It's me, Miss Mandee from the Braddock Carnegie Library, and here's Miss Meatball. Yeah, and we're back today with another quick Friday story time. Are you ready, Meatball? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, she's always ready. All right, let's start out with my hands say hello. My hands say hello. When I see all my friends, my hands say hello. What else says hello, Meatball? What about our eyes? Can we blink our eyes? My eyes say hello. My eyes say hello. When I see all my friends, my eyes say hello. What else says hello? Oh, her tongue is out. Let's do our tongues. My tongue says hello. My tongue says hello. When I see all my friends, my tongue says hello. What else says hello? Oh, mwah. Let's. Ooh, she got a squishy face. Let's do our squishy face. My squishy face is hello. My squishy face is hello. When I see all my friends, my squishy face is hello. And what else? Oh, do you guys have beaks? Does Meatball have a beak? No, but let's do it anyway. My beak says hello. My beak says hello. When I see all my friends, my beak says hello. Let's do our wings. My wings say hello. My wings say hello. When I see all my friends, my wings say hello. Wait, you don't have wings? Well, let's just do our whole bodies then and get all those wigglies out. Yeah? My whole body says hello. My whole body says hello. When I see all my friends, my whole body says hello. Very good. Thank you for helping me sing the hello song, Meatball. I have a new toy for her. This is a koala. Okay, she's gonna go get her koala now. Got it? Okay, she might be a little bit noisy. Remember last time she had her crocodile and she was really noisy? She might be noisy again. Why are you looking at me funny? I don't understand why. Is there something behind me? I mean, I'm looking. I don't see anything weird. What? There is a bird on my head? There's a bird on my head, really? You're right. There is a bird on my head. It looks like that bird built a nest, too, with my hair. You know what? I feel like somebody wrote a book about that one time. Look, Miss Mandee has that book. This book is a funny, funny book, and it's called There is a Bird on Your Head, and it's by Mo Willems. We love Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head. Here's Elephant and Piggy hanging out. Do, 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 and Merp. Piggy! And Piggy jumps away. Is something on my head? Yes? There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! Oh, there goes the bird. Is there a bird on my head now? Nope. No bird. Now, there are two birds on your head. Two? There's two now? Let's count them. 1, 2. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. Oh, Piggy is so silly. Everybody has that silly friend, right? The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? Oh, they are making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head? Why would 2 birds be making a nest on my head? Piggy looks like she probably has a funny answer. There's those lovebirds in the nest. I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Look at Piggy climbing up on Elephant's trunk. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. Can we count them? Can you see the eggs? There is 1, 2, and 3. And then 2 birds. How many birds do you think we might have? I do not want 3 eggs on my head. And Piggy says, then I have good news. What do you think the good news is? Gerald does not want 3 eggs on his head. Piggy says she has good news. Maybe that means that there won't be any more eggs on his head. The eggs are gone? And Piggy says, the eggs are hatching! Oh, that's exciting. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? There they are. We can see those tiny little eggs breaking apart. They're hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. It's so sweet. Oh, that's so exciting. There's a bird family now. Oh. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Where should we put them? Somewhere else! Whoa, he yelled really loud. Oh my goodness, and the nest went flying, and the chicks and the birds, and even Piggy went boink. He must have yelled super loud for that to happen. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them! That's true. Elephant never did ask, hey, would you mind going someplace else? He just kind of, I don't know, just kind of yelled a lot, huh? Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? What do you think? Do you think they'll stay? No problem. Bye. It worked. Look at them. They just took that and they took off. Huh. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. That was very nice of Piggy. It was a good suggestion. You are welcome. the birds are on Piggy's head. And here's all of our birds in their nest. That's pretty funny. See, sometimes if something happens and you don't like it, maybe, or if somebody is doing something that you don't like, instead of maybe getting really mad and saying things that maybe are not kind, maybe all you have to do is just ask them, like, hey, could you do that someplace else, please? Or could you please not do that? Or could you please not talk so loud? Or could you please not build your bird's nest on my head? So I need to talk to this bird and ask if maybe she can take her nest and build it someplace else. Maybe she'll build it on Meatball's head. That would be so funny. Well, that is all, my friends. I need to talk to this bird, and I will see you next week. All right, bye. From me and the bird.